Sick of scooping, smells, and tiny litter boxes? Neakasa M1 changes everything. This isn't just another litter box. This is a smarter, cleaner way to care for your cats and yourself. Equipped with the soft, clean mat, the Neakasa M1 helps reduce litter tracking so your floors stay just as fresh as your cat. Its open-top design gives cats the space they naturally prefer. No cramped corners, just comfort and freedom to do their thing. The powerful auto control system and enclosed pull and wrap waste bag lock smells away for good. Plus, the gentle self-cleaning cycle is safe for kittens and multi-cat households, with the large waste bin that gives you up to 14 days of hands-free freshness. Monitor everything from easy to use Neakasa app. We're still getting to know the unit. From litter levels to bathroom habits right at your fingertips. It was very easy to download and navigate. Cat number two. Cleaner paws, cleaner home, and zero scooping stress. This is the smile of a woman that hasn't touched litter in 3 days and not planning to.